Are you ready for this?
I don't know.
So she doesn't know what eye look I'm going with. She's got a natural glow to her face. I have to, a lot of redness and blemishes I have to cover up.
Oh, I thought you meant like my skin tone.
No, you have naturally perfect skin, and I hate you for that. I don't hate you, but
That's
I hate your
mean.
skin. I'm just kidding. But yeah.
Don't do that.
Your hair looks so pretty.
Thank you. You help me
Straight.
iron it.
Straight.
Brush iron it, whatever it's called. It's an iron brush.
It's the weirdest concept. It's got like a brush side to it, but it's got heat, like a heat panel in it. I've never seen anything like it until she showed me, so I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
So are you ready for this?
So today she's gonna do a look on me that I don't know, but I'm so glad that she's doing this because I've been begging her to do some sort of tutorials and.
Whoa, you haven't begged me.
Yes, I have several times.
Okay, you have never once ever, this is on the record, have you ever gotten on your knees and begged?
You don't have to get on your knees to beg. Do you?
Well, if you're
Answer
begging,
down below if you feel like begging should be on your knees. That's a discussion.
That sounds horrible.
So, yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Show on the road. So we may fast forward this a little bit too.
So yeah.
Because this may take.
How? Because.
Oh, it's easy. All right, close your eyes.
Well, if it's
I don't want
easy,
you seeing what I'm doing.
You do.
Oh, I don't know that. Her.
So I've already primed my lids with MAC Soft Ochre paint pot.
It smells so good.
I don't smell.
If you have ever tried, I know we say this all the time, but the Japanesque waterless brush cleaner.
Yes,
it's waterless.
on there.
It's like almost empty. It's like trying to get the last little bit in it. So, but it smells amazing. So if you haven't tried it, try it. Look in the mirror. Tell me your thoughts.
Wow. That's really pretty. I like that.
Quick and simple.
That's really pretty.
Wish you could see how it's like blended. Looks really cool.
This just needs to be blended out just a little tad.
How about it? You can blend a lot better on your own eye than I could. That was fun.
It's really pretty. I like it.
Then you need to do, if you're gonna do eyeliner.
I am.
So you wanna do that off camera?
Yeah. I'll do that.
And so yeah. I'm pretty pumped. And so, little secret that Heather has shown me, well, is using a just white towel or white washcloth, hand towel. These I think we hijacked from a hotel, but
By accident.
accident. But they work really well to clean your brushes instead of using like those little mats that brush cleaners typically are recommended for. Put those up. As you can see, I did almost a similar look, but with just one different color. So we can match. I love matching. It's kind of cheesy, kind of not. You know what? I forgot the butthole trick. There wasn't much there.
I thought you were going to go a lot more bold.
No.
Like, I was going to be like, okay, she's going to go crazy.
No, because I know how you like more natural. You're not for the wild.
But, I mean, I expected wild.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
Well, we're also going to make a few pit stops while we're out and about. We're going to do a little bit more filming outside of our studio. And see what kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Shenanigans we can get into. I'm looking forward to that. Shenanigans for the weekend. Do you really like it?
I really do. I really do. I think it's so pretty.
Okay,
wait, give me your brush.
Which
the one that, the blending.
Blender.
Yeah, where'd you get that one from?
Elf.
Oh, it doesn't even, oh, yeah, I see it. Just gonna blend this out a little bit more.
I so desperately want Jaclyn Hill's full set of brushes because all the brushes I have are ones that you used to use.
What's this color? Is this bomb ass? I need a little bit on this side.
You need some bomb ass on your ass. Bomb ass is a brighter shade.
I can't grab it. I'm like, okay. I hate this brush.
Do what works for you. It's tough doing someone else's makeup, and this is something I just learned. It's tough because you don't know, you're more critical on yourself, and when you're doing somebody else's makeup, they have their own way that they like or prefer their makeup to look. So trying to, and I'm glad she's going back and doing you know what looks best for her.
Well, it's just, you missed a little bit on this side for the,
But I'm scared to hurt you.
well, because this eye is hurting.
Well, that and you've got very delicate skin. Your skin is super sensitive. So I was just like, I don't want to hurt you.
No, fine.
So, but that was a lot of fun.
See?
Yes. I don't want to fix your eyeliner though, because you covered it up on that side.
I did?
Yeah. But yeah, so now y'all can actually see my haircut now that she's talking about her haircut last night. I got mine cut too. They only took, what, an inch off maybe?
Yeah,
Because it was like so lopsided, so she just evened it all the way around.
bad. It was so
It was
bad.
terrible.
It was like hair here and then hair
It was like
here.
this.
Like, it was terrible.
Lopsided. It was bad. It was real bad. I wish my bestie lived closer because she's the only one I trust with my hair.
I go there all the time.
Hence the reason why my hair has not been colored in, oh gosh, 2 years. Like professionally. So, yeah.
I really like this look. You did such a good job. High five, babe. High five. That's awesome. Yeah.
Yes.
I love it. But I was so hoping that you would try to do like purple on me because
honestly, I was this close to doing a rainbow look, but I knew where we were going, and I was like, I better not. We'll do the conservative.
That would be
awesome. We'll do it later. I came this close to doing like the bold purple like I do.
You need to do a rainbow eye tutorial look for this channel. I think that would be perfect
because we can do that.
Your rainbow, and I'll put a picture up here.
Comment below if you want to see me do a rainbow eye.
Because her rainbow eyes, when she did it last time, I was like, oh.
I don't do it. That's the thing is I've Googled, if you Google like rainbow eye looks, there's some that are really kind of pastel-y, kind of really faint. But I like pack on a lot of product, so it's really bold.
It's a really beautiful look. Sorry, our camera stopped.
You need your lips.
Yeah, what color should I do for lips?
Where'd your lips go, Heather?
I don't know. Got tons of lips here.
She's got a few.
Which one should I do?
Look,
should I do
I've got a nervous spot here.
Maybelline?
Yes. Maybe it's Maybelline.
Because it's a really pretty color.
Maybelline is really stepping up their lippy game.
Uh-huh.
Like, big time. Shout out Maybelline.
I really like this. It's really pretty. It's perfect. Babe, you did such a good job.
Are we going to have to do a selfie on camera?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So anyways, thanks so much for tuning in to this eye look tutorial type thing. Surprise look. I mean, I'm really blown away. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
It's so pretty. I love it.
But you know what? I sucked at makeup before I met Heather, and she has got me obsessed with makeup. And the more I have tinkered with looks myself and Googling different eye looks I want to try, nailed it. Hashtag nailed it.
So anyways, we will see you on the next video. Bye.